In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a PDF link from Google Drive step by step. If you've ever needed to share a document quickly and efficiently, Google Drive is one of the most convenient tools at your disposal. In the upcoming 5 minutes, I'm going to guide you through each step, making sure that by the end you'll be able to share your PDF with ease. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by heading over to Google Drive. To do this, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. If you aren't already logged into your Google account, this would be a good time to do so. Logging in ensures that you have access to all your files stored in the cloud. Now that you're on Google Drive, the next step is to locate the PDF file you wish to share. If you've got several files and folders, don't worry, Google Drive provides a user-friendly interface to help you find and access your documents quickly. You can use the search bar at the top or navigate through your folders until you find your PDF. Once you've spotted your PDF file, you'll want to click on it to select it. This highlights the file, making it ready for sharing. You should now see a toolbar across the top of the page. This toolbar provides several options for managing your file. In the toolbar, look for the Share button. It's usually represented by an icon of a person with a plus sign or simply labelled as Share. Clicking this button will open the sharing settings for your PDF. Now you're in the sharing settings window. This is where you can decide how your document is shared and who gets to see it. If you want to share it directly with someone, the simplest way is to enter their email address into the designated field. Just type it in and you can add multiple emails if you're sharing with more than one person. If you're sure the recipient will need to edit or comment on the document, you can adjust the permissions accordingly, usually next to where you enter their email. After you've typed in the email addresses and set the permissions, it's time to send. Look for the send button at the bottom right of this window. Clicking it will send an email invite directly to the people whose emails you've added, providing them instant access to the PDF. And there you have it, a straightforward way to share a PDF from Google Drive. This method not only saves time but ensures that your files are shared with the right individuals and under the right permissions. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.